Lady C accuses Harry of perjury as he faked NYPD letter to British court, official letter sent in September. While the public has spoken and insiders confirmed that Meghan Markle and Prince Harry did in fact fake the NYPD letter, then was sent to the UK High Court for the client's security case. A letter from the NYPD entered in a UK court case by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle claims that arrests could soon be made in the dangerous paparazzi chase they were involved in last year. But sources told the Post there's not sufficient evidence to charge anyone. A British court, as part of its decision to deny the Prince state-funded security, cited a formal letter from the NYPD to London's Metropolitan Police that said wild paparazzi had been reckless and persistently dangerous in their pursuit of the Sussexes through Manhattan last May. But NYPD sources told the Post that the case has been thoroughly probed by both the force and the Manhattan DA, and no charges are likely to be filed. And while the probe found reckless, unacceptable behaviour by paparazzi, Harry and Meghan's security contributed to the conditions by not adhering to an NYPD proposed stop, police sources said. The Sussexes' reluctance to go to the planned stop with paparazzi was a contributing factor. Harry's been insistent someone be arrested. That requires evidence which we don't have at this time, said another source, referencing how the NYPD and royals conferred during that incident about a planned destination where cops could control the traffic flow. The official letter was sent to the Metropolitan Police of London in September by the NYPD as part of the London High Court's consideration of a lawsuit Prince Harry filed against the British government, demanding that he receive the kind of tax-funded police protection while in the UK that he was stripped of after leaving the royal family in 2020. We found the following reckless disregard of vehicle and traffic laws and persistently dangerous and unacceptable behaviour on the part of the paparazzi during the night in question, the letter allegedly read. However, a subsequent letter also entered into the filing, which sources say was sent in error by Harry's lawyer to Harry and Meghan's security detail, created confusion by suggesting two suspects had been identified and could face arrest for reckless endangerment over the high-speed chase. On Wednesday, the High Court declined to award Harry the security that he wanted, but the inclusion of the letter produced by Harry's own lawyer, according to the Daily Beast, seemed to provide a silver lining of vindication for the royals. That vindication has proven to be short-lived, however, and could instead back the ridicule the royal couple faced after the incident because Harry and Meghan faked the letter. Meanwhile, the Washington Post has reported that there isn't enough evidence to pursue anyone in the made-up New York car chase. Now Harry's accused of perjury by Lady C. She said, "I'm sure the Washington Post is correct that there is no evidence to prosecute anyone in the United States. But in the United Kingdom, if Harry advanced to the court a letter that wasn't an original letter, it would be a forgery and considered a criminal offence. I know that there are so many suspicions about this letter because it has so many irregularities. I doubt that anything will happen to Harry unless some dedicated member of the public demands a private prosecution. Harry has extreme privilege, and as a result you get to foul up your own nest and everybody else's nest." In an all-new POV poll of 3,500 people, 99% believe Harry and Meghan faked the NYPD letter to the court. One user on X said, "Geez, they did something else." A second wrote, "Why isn't the NYPD going after them for perjury? This is total disrespect for America. Send the grifters anywhere other than here." Another added, "The original story said that the NYPD said it was Harry's own people who drove recklessly, not the paparazzi who were on bikes. The whole thing stinks worse than a fish depot off of the North Sea."